So here's the new iPhone 4S. Got a black one and a white one. Look just like the regular 4. And these are the 16 gigabyte. And the usual stuff that you get. There, see, this is iPhone 4S. And let's see here. Powering up the white one. And powering up the black one. And these are both on Sprint, which I left Sprint in 2007, 2006, whenever the new iPhones came out, or whenever the first iPhone came out. And unfortunately, I've had to deal with AT&T ever since then. And I am so glad to be going back to Sprint. So, let's see. Kind of looks like lion with the like fabric background looking thing. And let's see here. United States, country or region. Yep. And enable location. Yep. And there's the Wi-Fi network. Use cellular connection. Set up your iPhone using cellular data if your Wi-Fi is not available. Okay, there is Wi-Fi available. So, let's see here. Okay. And we're connecting to the Wi-Fi. And we're connected. So it says it may take up to 3 minutes. Set up as new iPhone. Yes. Sign in with Apple ID. Should I use my old one? Yeah. I'll skip this step. Yeah, skip it. Terms and conditions, agree. Use Siri, of course. Diagnostic, automatically send, don't send. Okay, whatever. Start using iPhone. It's now set up. Start using, and there we go. We're ready to go. And everything looks pretty similar. This must be Siri, the reminders. Or maybe not. Is it utilities? Voice memos? No. Okay, so it says no service. I gotta call. I gotta activate it, and I already have the info for that. If I hit phone, no. Newsstand, App Store, videos, settings, maybe. Let's see, where is, oh, there's iCloud. Oh, and you need the @me.com. Yeah, I think I have that. Phone, FaceTime. Huh. I do not see Siri on here. Oh, there it is. Okay. So it's under General. And then hit that. Voice feedback, always. My info. Raise to speak on. Okay. You can make a phone call, send a message. My info. Okay. Oh, because I don't have any contacts. iPhone is activated. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm on Sprint already. Cool. So it just did it for me. I didn't even have to do anything. See, that's why I like Sprint. So let me see if it'll call out, which I'm sure it will. Let's dial this phone number right here that's right next to me. And hopefully this one will ring right here. Yep. Awesome. Well, that was easy to set up. Now I just want to figure out how to use Siri. So that's locking, volume, unlock. Can Siri help you? There we go. So press and hold the home button. Start using Siri. Okay. And let's see here. Set up me. So, what time is the Tigers game on next?
Searching the web for what time is the Tigers game on next.
Because see, this is a question I had earlier. I didn't get a chance to check it out. So it's just searching the web. I would have liked it to tell me when it was, but that's good enough. That's kind of cool. I like that. Well, let's just change that to Tigers game. I am so happy to be free of that junk HTC on AT&T. What a nightmare that has been. So Detroit won last night. Come on. Schedule, I guess. Even though it's postseason. So let's see here. Calendar, October 14th is today, so they're playing on Sunday in Texas at 8:05. Yep. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. The 15th. Oh, they're playing the 15th, so that's tomorrow. They're playing Saturday night and Sunday night. Hopefully they're playing Sunday night. Let's put it that way. And hopefully they win Sunday night. Let's see what else Siri can do here. Find me a recipe for macaroni and cheese. I have no idea why I came up with that one. Let's try it different. Find me a recipe for pork chops.
I'm on it. Would you like to search the web for find me a recipe for pork chops?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Searching the web for find me a recipe for pork chops.
I like this. Yeah. It's awesome. Okay, now we're going to really put it to the test here. Create a blog post on my WordPress blog about...
I don't know what you mean by create a blog post on my WordPress blog.
It's okay, you'll learn. So that's where we'll leave it.
I don't understand. It's okay, you'll learn.
Yeah. I'll teach you how to create a post on my WordPress blog. This is cool. I'm very happy. Hopefully you are too. I'll set up this other one now. Have a good day.